In this video, I'm going to talk briefly about progress reports. If you go to the module, you'll see there's an outline for a progress report and also kind of a sample of how to write one. Now, why do we need one? Well, first of all, for this course, a progress report is one of the genres you're expected to learn. And second of all, when you're working on a team project, it's usually because your supervisor has divided up work amongst different teams. And so occasionally you're going to have to check in to let your supervisor or client or whoever it is you're reporting to know what's going on and how much you've accomplished. Now, I am in sort of that situation right now. I'm teaching 3 classes. All my classes are doing project work right now. And so I am supervising 17 teams. Now, when a team member jogs my memory about what it is they're working on, then everything comes back to me. But when I go to meet with them or, in a video conference or something like that, or if they write me an email or send me a report, if they don't remind me what it is they're working on, it's kind of annoying because I can't remember, like which of the 17 projects is it that you're asking me about. So, giving your manager or supervisor or client just a little clue about what it is you're responding to or talking about is very helpful. Now, the other reason that we're doing this is because I like to have individual components to the team project. So you're writing a proposal as a team, you're writing the report as a team, you're developing the oral report as a team, but this is one of the components that's going to be an individual grade. And so it's really important to demonstrate not only your writing ability, but your collaborative ability. So in other words, if you can't really tell me what your team's doing, that's not going to reflect too well on you. So make sure that you know what's going on with your team. Make sure that you report accurately on what's going on with your team, because there is going to be no peer review for a progress report. You're just going to turn it into me, and hopefully it'll be a good progress report and you will have an accurate reporting of what's going on. And to be honest with you, when I see all the reports come in, I'm hoping to see similar reports. They don't have to be exactly alike, but I'm hoping to see pretty much the same story. And if it varies too much, or if one report is very clear and specific and somebody else turns in a report that's kind of too general, that's going to raise some questions for me about your, if you're the one who turns in the very general abstract report, it's going to raise some questions for me as to how involved you are in your team. So just a heads up.